What the heck was that? That's exactly what you would expect on this channel. That's what that is. Hey, what's going on, pal? Thanks for tuning in. It's your buddy SB Mitch. You can follow me on the Twitter and the Instagram handles on your screen right now. Under that is my website. You can visit it to find any of the shoes from this box for sale. Friday. Yeah, Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Even though I will be, I think I'll be in DC by then. Still, it doesn't mean that I can't work some cinema magic and doesn't mean the internet isn't magical, because it absolutely is. This is a beater box. It's Beater Box Thursday, which is a new thing that I'm doing just for this past 2 weeks because I hurt my back and I had no lights. This box is the other box from that week where I ordered that crazy, insane 1550 box, which I have the Huffs that I'm keeping. Hopefully this box it's not gonna be that good, but it's gonna be maybe good because it's from the same week. This box is from Sole Supremacy. You know the drill. It was $475 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. I'll tell you guys about my Uncle Tam. He's got an Italian beef stand. One time some guy came over and ordered over 200 Italian beefs for a grand total of $515. These boxes are usually priced to make you some money, so follow along with Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe I pull out of this box is worth on the secondary market, and then we're gonna break it down at the end to show you how much I paid for the box versus how much it's worth, so you can see how much money we might make. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Probably shoes. Joke I've used 15 billion times. Yeah, if you didn't see that $1,550 box, definitely check it out. It's a good one. I mean, I'm keeping one of the shoes from the box, and even after that, I'll probably still make some money on the box, which is pretty cool. So, not very often does that happen. I think besides those Huffs, the only time I've ever kept any shoe was the Heinekens, which you can see up here. Yeah. Cool, we're open. It doesn't look like there's any loose shoes in here. Yeah, there's no loose shoes. This is packed. There's a lot of shoes in here. So the first box we're gonna grab out is a Nike Air Foamposite Pro in a size 8.5. This box is actually in probably the best shape I've ever seen a Foamposite box in. Ooh, these are actually pretty okay. So I don't know if they're actually called Gucci foams, but they call it the Gucci foam, I think. It's basically a white Foamposite gum outsole, but it's got hints of red and green, which is where you get the Gucci from, even on the back. These are in good shape. They just have some dirty bottoms going on here. I don't see any major scratches or anything, but I'm not gonna sit here for 20 minutes and like analyze it. Looks like there's a couple scuffs that I could probably just buff out or clean. Yeah, these are in really good shape, pretty decent size too. 8.5 Gucci Foamposites. That's actually not a bad shoe to get. I think I got a size 9 a couple months ago and I sold it for a good amount. Next up, looks like a grade school shoe. Nike SB. This is a 4.5 youth Jordan 11. That's good. We got ourselves a 2016 Space Jam 11 in a grade school size, 4.5, right? Yeah, 4.5. These are in pretty okay shape. A little bit of wear on the bottoms. Not super dirty. Yeah, it just needs a pretty decent clean. Good amount of insole wear, which you probably can't even see because I don't have my ring light anymore. But yeah, these are in great shape. Just need a quick cleanup. Space Jam 11's in a 4.5Y. Almost lost that sentence. Let's see, what's this? It's a size 8.5 Air Jordan 9 Retro. I think I saw what the colorway is. Hey, at least these ones have laces. That's cool. This is the Anthracite 9. It's just basically a dark gray 9 with some white eyelets and 23 on the back. A little bit of wear on the bottom, not too bad. I mean, this is basic as it gets for a 9. It's just it's almost like a triple black, but it's got like a dark gray thing going on with it. Not much money here. I did get a pair of these before and they had no laces. It was really weird, but I sold them, so hey, whatever. Size 8.5. Jordan 9 Anthracite. I had to check and make sure the size was right. It was probably good for about 100 to 120 bucks. Wow, there's 2 SB boxes in here. Let's get this out of the way though. Got an Air Jordan 12 Retro in a size 8.5. Ooh, it's a good one. I see what the colorway is. Very cool. This is the 2016 release, I want to say, of the Flu Game 12. This is a classic colorway. You guys remember Michael Jordan wore this colorway in a playoff game where he had the flu against the Utah Jazz. Actually, I think it was a finals game. But these are Really lightly worn, just need a quick cleanup. A little bit of creasing throughout. Full Jumpman is in there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, these are in phenomenal shape, and 8.5 is a really good size. Comes with the original box too. There you go, Flu Game 12s, 8.5. Very lightly worn. Cool. Let's get some SB boxes out of the way. So we have a purple box SB. Oh, it's a P-Rod. It's a P-Rod 2 in a size 10. Cool. So this is the Black Cement P-Rod 2. Paul Rodriguez, very famous LA-based skateboarder. Probably most famous for his commercial with Kobe Bryant. Yeah, these, I mean, it's basically a Black Cement 3, but in a P-Rod 2. Got some better laces because they have the metal aglets on there. Very cool. Size 10 is a decent size. These are pretty, these are from like the mid-2000s, maybe 2007. The liner is quilted like the Reese Forbes Hunters, so very nice. Size 10, P-Rod 2 Black Cements, very cool. I haven't seen a P-Rod 2 in years. Let's do the other Nike SB. This is a tape box era release. I'm not a huge fan of the tape box era. It's a size 10.5 Dunk Low Premium. Oh, cool, all right. Ooh, these are really lightly worn too. So this is the black colorway of the Firecracker pack. The nice little hint on these is the on the heel tab says caution flammable, which is pretty neat, but it's an all black colorway. Yeah, it's mostly suede upper. You can see a little bit of wear on the insole. Outsoles have next to no wear. Full stars, tiny bit of heel drag. Yeah, these are very good size too. These are good for skating in my opinion. Yeah, they have this like firecracker looking thing going on with the insole, which is really cool. Good shape, good size. 10.5 Firecracker SB Dunk Low. Cool. So we've got two more in here. Grab this one here. This is some kind of unmarked box. I don't know what this is. Yeah, I can't tell on the condition. It's probably DS or Tridon. It's an Air Penny too. I don't know what the colorway is called, but I mean, the bottoms are dang near spotless. Yeah, there's a little bit of wear. So these have probably been worn like once, but really good shape. I don't know what's going on with the box they came in. Air Penny 2, size 12, very near dead stock condition. I don't know what else to say about it. There you go. We got one more. This is a Air Zoom Flight the Glove in a size 12. This is Gary Payton's signature shoe because it's got this like, wow, these are crazy. I don't know what the colorway is called, but you'll see it says the glove on the heel. And it's got this like, I don't know what you would call it. It's like a cover, but you can't remove it, but you can pull it down, and they always have these like weird designs going on underneath it. But the glove thingy itself is like nylon. It says exoskeletal on the side and articulation on the other, on the medial side. These are wild. These are lightly worn. Even has a Olive 12 air freshener in there too, which is pretty weird, but yeah, I mean these, I used to have a different pair of the glove and they didn't really sell very well or whatever, but this is 1.5. Yeah, it's a very interesting shoe. Very classic though, size 12. Zoom Flight the Glove. And that is a $475 Sole Supremacy beater box. This is pretty standard as far as I'm concerned. Let's give it a grade. We're gonna get a grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are 8 pairs of shoes in this $475 Sole Supremacy beater box. Got a big old goose egg as far as dead stock shoes. Most of them are in really good shape. I'm pretty sure all but one have the original box. Condition on this box, we'll give it a B+. Sizes, we have 8.5, 4.5 youth, 8.5, 8.5 again, 10, 10.5, 12, and 12. Sizes are kind of all over the place, but not bad, not great. Sizes we'll say about a B. Value on this box, 475 bucks. This is pretty standard. All these shoes are worth at least 80 to 150 bucks. For a $475 box, to have an average of 80 bucks per shoe would be phenomenal. So value on this box, I gotta give it an A. So with the grade of B+ for condition, the grade of B for sizes, and the grade of A for value, this $475 Sole Supremacy beater box, Mystery Box O Kicks, gets a letter grade of A-. So I took a guess, gave this box a grade of A-. How right or wrong am I? Or rather, how wrong am I? Let them know, MC Hammer. Nope, it's not MC Hammer.
Big dog! I'm MC Hammer! I'm MC Hammer! I'm MC Hammer! I'm MC Hammer!
Splendid box. Big fan. Yeah, I mean, when you get a $1,550 box, it's really filled with like crazy stuff. When you get a $475 box, this is what you're gonna expect. All these shoes are movable though, so I can't really complain. Remember, this weekend I'll be at SneakerCon DC. Come by, say hello. I'll actually be on a panel with Seth Fowler at 3 o'clock p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So it's only half an hour, so you don't have to deal with me for more than that because I can get unbearable at a certain point. So thank you for taking the time to watch. I appreciate it. I'm gonna have another beater box for you tomorrow because I'm super backed up from my back and my lack of lights. So be back tomorrow. We'll do another box. Till then, take care of each other and I'll see you later. Bye!